Hey, my name is Devin Resper. I'm a sophomore here and I play on the basketball team, and I'll be reading Hiccups for Elephants. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep, except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Chet woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom. It only made him dizzy. Hiccup. Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup. The zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup. Mouse woke up. What's all that noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to go to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo, he shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there was no more hiccups. Worked every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep.